Get ready to be swept off your feet with the latest eye makeup trends of 2023. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rock these looks on hooded eyes with my pro application tips. Hello, I'm Haja. Welcome to my channel. If you're into beauty, makeup, and lifestyle topics, make sure to follow me on my journey by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. The first trend I tried on is called the Coquette Eyes. With this makeup style, we want to achieve doly, flirty, cute vibes. This style is also known as the dewy eyes because it gives you round, big, innocent looking eyes. All you need to do is to choose from a palette with light nude and pastel eyeshadow shades. I first apply the peachy shade from the desk section of the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Eyeshadow Palette in Pillow Talk all over my lid with a big sized applicator brush by my own brand Alpha Makeup. Then I pack my lower lash line with the same peachy shade as well and connect the lower lash line with the upper lash line, creating a V shape on the outer edge of my eye. Here I use my smudger brush by Alpha Makeup. You can go for a more rose pink shade as well. I thought a peachy tone would match well with my warm skin undertone. Once the eyeshadow is applied, blend with the fluffy blending brush by Alpha Makeup to soften out any hard edges. Focus on blending into the crease fold and the lower lash line without any product on the brush. Then I apply a shimmery peachy shade called Crave from the Huda Beauty New Nude palette with my detailing brush, again by Alpha Makeup. I apply the shade by carving out my crease fold and focusing mainly on the center of the lid. I pack my mobile lid further with Crave using my fingers until the shade is pigmented enough. You can leave the lid matte if you want to. Then I use my Revolve the Loop Intense Eyeliner in the shade Espresso Brown and extend my upper lash line. Important note is to keep your eyes open while applying the eyeliner on hooded eyes. This will help your winged eyeliner not to look crooked. Now I create a flick and line my whole upper lash line. The lines do not need to be straight or even, we are going to smudge them later on. To even out the wing, I use the Alpha Makeup double-sided angled brush and just extend the end of my wing to make it look sharper. Next, I go over the eyeliner with a dark brown shade from the desk section of Charlotte Tilbury Instant Pillow Talk eyeshadow palette. While I'm overlining the eyeliner with eyeshadow, I slightly smudge the eyeliner in small upward motions. Then I curl my lashes with a lash curler. Now I line my lower waterline with the Inner Eye Brightening Pan by Essence Cosmetics. This will open up the eyes and make them look more roundish. For a pop of color and highlight, I choose the bright yellow shade Limoncello from the Natasha Denona Pastel palette. I apply the shade around my tear duct using a pointed dense brush. Important focus of this flirty look are the lashes, which are long and defined. I first apply 2 coats of mascara each eye using the Maybelline Sky High Mascara in deep black. I also apply mascara on my lower lashes to give my eyes the desired doly look. You can also use false lashes on the lower lash line if you want to. Then I apply half trimmed lashes by the brand Kiss called My Lashes But Better in the design So Real. I think these are really long and defined and complete the dual eye makeup effect. The suitable lip makeup would be a glossy nude gradient or maybe ombre lip makeup look, where you basically first neutralize the lip shade by applying foundation on the lips. Then apply your lipstick shade in the center of your lips. And from there on, blend the shade around your lips. I used the peachy eyeshadow shade I used on my lid earlier on my lips to match my eyes. The reason simply is I just wanted to try out eyeshadow as my lipstick. Then on top, I used the limited edition mini gloss bomb lip gloss by Fenty Beauty in the shade Cheeky, which gives my lips a nice red/orange tint. The next trend is the Siren Eyes. This eye makeup style is created with mainly brown eyeliner and eyeshadow and is smoked out at the wing, which will instantly elongate and lift the eyes. A perfect makeup look for hooded eyes. So first of all, I use the creamy kohl liner by L'Oreal called Le Kohl in Midnight Black. I tight line my upper waterline to prevent any gaps. Then I switched to the liquid ink brown eyeliner by Sense Cosmetics and start with framing my tear duct. I apply narrow strokes starting from the inner corner and then finally lining the tear duct. This will help to elongate the eyes as well. Note that you should skip this step if you have close-set eyes, or else your eyes will look closer to each other. On Siren Eyes, the main focus are the outer edge and the inner corner of the eyes. That is where your strokes can be thicker than the rest of your upper lash line, because with this technique you're able to elongate the eye shape further. So next I extend my upper lash line on open eyes. The reason why hooded eyes people need to keep their eyes open while applying the eyeliner is it will help them to determine the thickness and the placement of the wing better. Once the wing is created, go ahead and line the rest of the upper lash line with thin strokes and connect them with each other. If you make small mistakes, just grab a cotton swab and correct. Then, with the angled brush by Alpha Makeup, apply a brown eyeshadow shade called Primal from the Urban Decay Naked 2 Basics palette on top of the wing, as well as the inner corner, and smudge in small upward motions. Finish off the look by applying mascara on the upper lashes in zigzag motions. As we want to elongate the eyes, we choose a pair of falsies that are fuller on the outer part, like the Mink Faux Lashes by Kiss. Now for the lip makeup, I choose the brown Intense eyeliner as my lip liner, because why not, and line the whole lips. Then I apply the Satin Matte Lipstick by Revolution Pro in the nude shade Cashmere in the center of my lips. This is a popular ombre lip look of the Y2K era, which I, by the way, love. The final trend of 2023 eye makeup looks are graphic eyeliners. Black, colorful, vivid, and neon colors are in, so if you ever wanted to go bold on your makeup, then this is the year. I'm using a Fenty Beauty Limited Vivid Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Skinny Dip, which is very cool toned, medium dark blue with a matte finish. So first of all, I line my upper lash line, then I apply my wing and connect it to the upper lash line. This is our usual winged eyeliner. So to make it look more edgy, we apply a stroke starting from the sharp end of the wing and ending it up until the center of the lid. The stroke should sit slightly above our crease fold. Hence, keep the eyes open for the whole look. You can leave it like this or pimp it up further like I do. I use a black pea-size eyeliner by Catrice and apply a stroke right under the bottom of the wing. Then I apply another black stroke starting from the wing up until the center of the lid, framing the blue line. In the next steps, I do a quick retouch by evening out my blue and black strokes. Now I work on my lower lash line by applying the baby blue pastel shade Airy from the Pastel palette by Natasha Denona. This is optional, but I love a pop of vivid colors on the lower lash line and the tear duct. Next, I go around my tear duct with the neon lemony shade Zest from the Natasha Denona Pastel palette. Then I complete the look with a few coats of mascara on the lower and upper lashes. When wearing colorful eyeliner or makeup in general, I think you don't need false lashes, but I'm going to use a pair of natural ones. I apply my trimmed Kiss falsies from previously in the design So Real, and we're good to go. For the lip makeup trend this year, anything glossy and shiny on the lips are totally in. From lip balm, oil to gloss, just apply a layer of it onto your natural lips or lipstick. I'm using the limited Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb shade called Pretty Please. It has a beautiful pink tint which completes this vivid makeup look. I hope I could inspire you to try out these trends. Let me know in the comment section which look you would give a try and maybe which one you liked on me. Do not forget to leave me a thumbs up if you have enjoyed today's video, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet, and turn on the notification bell next to the subscribe button to get notified once I upload a new video, which is every weekend. Thank you and see you soon.